A wise man proportions his belief to the evidence. Custom is the great guide to human life. Reason is, and ought only to be the slave of the passions. Beauty in things exists in the mind which contemplates them. Generally speaking, the errors in religion are dangerous, those in philosophy only ridiculous. No testimony is sufficient to establish a miracle unless the testimony be of such a kind that its falsehood would be more miraculous than the fact which it endeavors to establish. The life of man is of no greater importance to the universe than that of an oyster. The rules of morality are not the conclusion of our reason. 'Tis not contrary to reason to prefer the destruction of the whole world to the scratching of my finger. The greatest part of mankind float between vice and virtue. Beauty is no quality in things themselves. It exists merely in the mind which contemplates them. The corruption of the best things gives rise to the worst. Custom, then, is the great guide of human life. All our reasonings concerning matter of fact are founded on a species of analogy, which leads us to expect from any cause the same events which we have observed to result from similar causes. The sweetest and most inoffensive path of life leads through the avenues of science and learning, and whoever can either remove any obstructions in this way, or open up new prospect, ought so far to be esteemed a benefactor to mankind. Truth springs from argument amongst friends. It is seldom that liberty of any kind is lost all at once. No man ever threw away life while it was worth keeping. The liberty of the press is the palladium of all the civil, political, and religious rights of an Englishman. The greatest happiness of the greatest number is the foundation of morals and legislation.